Guys, LinkedIn is the largest B2B platform, and that's why to find great people on that platform, there are already people on LinkedIn who are professionals. No person on the LinkedIn is uselessly coming to just serve the social media. Everyone is here to just connect with you guys and find the great opportunities for themselves as well as their company or their freelancing or their internship stuff. So if you want to get connected with these people, you need to have a good profile in order to get great opportunities, in order to get huge opportunities or huge cash flow from the LinkedIn. You need to have a great profile. So in this very video we're going to see that how you can build a very great profile on LinkedIn and many more things related to that, so that you can land your perfect internship, freelancing, or if you are doing something like a freelancing or agency stuff, you will get clients from that only LinkedIn only. So in this video we are going to see all that stuff. Subscribe if you haven't yet, because in this video, or if you don't know guys, let me tell you guys, I'm creating this whole playlist in which I'm going to tell you guys how to get a perfect internship by the end of this playlist. Most efforts are just to get you guys a great internship by the end of this playlist. So subscribe now if you haven't yet, press the bell icon and like this video, and let us now get into this video and talk about exactly how you can optimize your profile and get great opportunities from LinkedIn and connect with the greatest people out there in your field. There are just 3 factors that you need to keep in mind while optimizing your profile on LinkedIn. These 3 factors are one by one, we will be seeing that each and everything. First and most important thing is your profile photo. If you guys don't have a proper profile photo, or if you guys have a profile photo which is outdated, work on that photo and optimize that photo. And here are just 3 factors that you need to keep in mind while optimizing your profile photo. First is, guys, look into the camera and smile, because this is the most important thing, because only the people are going to see your face and after your smile that looks very confident. Second is, try to keep the background light color, or at least keep just it in a white color, so that people will focus on you, not that your background. So clear background, white image, or at least a light image, so that people can focus on you. Third and most important thing while optimizing your profile photo is your do not wear anything like sunglasses, or keep it minimal. Keep the clothes or simple, minimalistic, and don't be wearing a cap or very huge jewelry and stuff like that. Keep it minimalistic, and there are just these 3 factors that you need to keep in mind while uploading your profile photo. This is the most important thing. And secondly, guys, the background image, or we can say that the cover photo of your profile is also very important, because whenever someone sees your profile photo and clicks on that, the photo of your background or their cover photo pops before him or her, so that they will click it and they will see it. So how to optimize that? Basically, while optimizing your background photo or your cover photo, keep it simple and up to the point, just not anything bullshit talking in that cover photo. So first of all, you need to keep in mind that you need to upload there your achievements, rewards, or something that you have done, like your projects, what you do, your work should be there, and your company name or what you do, your skills are in which category, that should be there on your cover photo, not anything useless. This is what you need to understand. Guys, the second and most important thing is your tagline or your headline. Basically, what the headline is very important is just because people are going to see your headline or your tagline everywhere on the LinkedIn with your profile photo, and that's why you need to optimize it very carefully. You need to upload the skill set you are having, not anything. And I have seen most of people uploading that key titles like manager, specialist, and stuff like that, but that does not care, and people does not care about that. So you need to upload your title like manager and stuff like that with your skill you are having, so that people can click on the profile and get into your profile and see what this guy is doing. So this is what you need to understand while uploading your headline. And to be honest, if you are having skills like photo editing, video editing, upload that in your title and also in your headline, so that people can contact with you if they need something about that. And while searching in your category, your search can rank upper and higher just because of the title and headline you are having. So keep this in mind and be careful while writing your headline. Guys, the most important thing, which is the third thing, that is the about section. And to be honest, it is very important, because whenever someone is interested in you guys, whenever they click on your profile photo, or whenever they see your headline and they got interested in you, they click on the profile and they get into the about section to see actually what this guy is all doing about. So third is their about section. And what should upload in that? There are just few things that you need to upload in your about section: your milestones, or maybe your projects, your achievements, your testimonials, your reviews, and much more things. And not just that, you can upload your resume in order to get a job or stuff like that. But if you are a freelancer or intern looking for internships out there based on a certain skill, so upload the skill, projects, past work experience and stuff like that. If you don't have past work experience, upload the project and stuff, and many more things. So this is what you need to understand in optimizing your profile. So guys, three most important things that you need to keep in mind while uploading or optimizing your profile on the LinkedIn. But after that, there are also key factors that you need to understand. This was just a major portion of optimizing your profile. After that, there are few things that you need to keep in mind while optimizing your profile on the LinkedIn. This can include adding open to work to your profile photo, adding a profile video, so that if you are a freelancer intern looking for internship, and if you add a profile video, so that people can know about you and what you actually provide to them. So adding a video is also very important. And thirdly guys, adding a perfect section or a different section for what you are specializing in is also very important. So these were the major things that you need to understand while optimizing your profile. And if you guys learn something valuable phrase from this video, please hit the like button on YouTube, so that I will get motivated, and that will help me to create more and more useful content for you guys. And subscribe now if you haven't yet, and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any update about the amazing videos coming in the future about internship, freelancing, or for a college student. If you are a college student, then you must subscribe this channel. So I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.